Hey, hello everyone. Welcome to my channel Options and Strikers. Last week for Nifty was very challenging. Let me plot the 200 EMA. Let's go to daily time frame. Nifty has broken 200 EMA on this day, and then there was a little bit of downward movement post the break of 200 EMA. It tried to rebound, and then but it has made a bearish kind of a pin bar. Then it has broken decisively on 21st of November. Post that on Friday, the following day, I think there was immediate rebounds with good volume. Yeah, subsequently on Monday, I think there was a gap up, and then they tried to stay about 20 DMA, and then there was a gap up, and then this week I think it was sustaining the gap. So hopefully, I think tomorrow being expiry, these levels are broken. We might be testing somewhere around these levels. What I feel is, I mean, generally whenever there is a break of 200 DMA, the market tries to retrace a little bit, and that will be great to enter on a subsequent levels. I think if it is breaking the second time, if this time I think this gap is filled, I think then we can see a break of the DMA. So if you see, I think once this level is broken, I think we might be testing the election highs. I think this happened to be an election high, and then definitely I think this will be the next immediate support which can be there. I can also see a head and shoulder kind of a pattern. Like I told, I think this is the crucial element. The market might bounce towards these levels, and then if there is a rejection from these levels, I think then the fall will be big. And there are various factors which have resulted in this downfall. And even though we have broken the TMA, and then even with the great news like Maharashtra elections, I think even then we should have bounced very fastly. But because of the weakness in market, I think we were only able to retrace a little, maybe 5 to 10%, and then until 24,000 levels are not being reclaimed, I think we will be side to bearish. And there was also some news regarding the Adani groups, which faced significant sell-offs during the last week because of the U.S. prosecutors. They charged Gautam Adani for fraud and bribery. They are claiming that Adani was involved in a 250 million dollar bribery, and then dollar indexes are at an all-time high. So considering all these situations, I think the market was pretty volatile. So hopefully tomorrow being monthly expiry, we might see a decisive move, whether we are going to go up or whether we are going to go down. But for now, I think my view is that I think we might be testing 24,000 tomorrow, and post expiry, which is Friday, I think we might be breaking the 200 DMA if you are not breaking 24,000 on the upside.